Stretching along the sunlit coastline of Alanya, Long Beach Resort Hotel is a lively, family-friendly destination where the Mediterranean's vibrant energy meets the ease of all-inclusive comfort. Located in the Türkler area, just a short drive from the center of Alanya, the resort enjoys a beautiful setting between the sparkling sea and gently rising hills. Its name reflects its greatest advantage, a long, inviting stretch of coastline that defines the atmosphere of the entire property. Designed like a self-contained holiday village, the resort offers a dynamic environment where everything feels within reach. Palm-lined pathways, open-air spaces, and colorful surroundings create a cheerful, welcoming mood from the moment you arrive. The architecture is modern and spacious, yet the overall feeling remains relaxed and unpretentious. What makes Long Beach Resort stand out is its sense of movement and variety. The atmosphere shifts naturally throughout the day, calm and refreshing in the morning, lively and social by afternoon, and full of energy as evening arrives. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or as a couple, the resort provides a setting where every day feels full, effortless, and touched by the warmth of the Mediterranean sun. As its name suggests, Long Beach Resort is defined by its extensive coastline. The private beach stretches generously along the Mediterranean, offering a mix of sandy and pebbled areas where guests can relax, swim, or simply enjoy the sound of the waves. Wooden walkways and piers extend toward the sea, creating perfect spots for sunbathing or watching the horizon. The resort's pool areas are equally impressive, with a variety of swimming spaces designed for different moods. There are large, lively pools for social moments, quieter corners for relaxation, and exciting water features that add a sense of fun throughout the day. The atmosphere is colorful and energetic, with plenty of space to unwind under the sun or cool off in refreshing water. The accommodations at Long Beach Resort are designed to suit a wide range of travelers, offering comfort, space, and practicality. Rooms are bright and welcoming, with soft color palettes and modern furnishings that create a relaxed atmosphere. Many feature balconies or terraces where guests can enjoy fresh sea air and views of the surrounding landscape. Family rooms and suites provide additional space and flexibility, making them ideal for those traveling with children. The layout of the resort allows guests to choose between more lively areas or quieter corners, depending on their preference. Thoughtful details and comfortable bedding ensure a restful stay after long days of sun and activity, while the overall design keeps things simple, functional, and inviting. Dining at Long Beach Resort is a vibrant and satisfying experience, offering a wide selection of flavors throughout the day. The main restaurant presents generous buffet options, combining Turkish cuisine with international dishes to suit every taste. Fresh ingredients, live cooking stations, and varied menus ensure that meals remain interesting and enjoyable. Across the resort, additional dining spots provide lighter bites and casual meals, making it easy to grab something whenever the mood strikes. From savory snacks to sweet treats, there is always something available to satisfy your appetite. The atmosphere is relaxed and welcoming, encouraging guests to take their time and enjoy meals as part of the overall holiday experience. Long Beach Resort offers a wide range of activities that keep the days lively and engaging. Guests can enjoy sports, fitness sessions, and beachside games, or simply join in the daily activity programs designed to bring people together in a fun, relaxed way. The resort's dynamic environment ensures there is always something happening for those who enjoy staying active. For moments of calm, the spa and wellness facilities provide a peaceful retreat. Guests can unwind with traditional Turkish hammam experiences, soothing massages, and relaxation treatments designed to restore both body and mind. The combination of activity and relaxation allows visitors to create their own balance, moving easily between energy and tranquility throughout their stay. As the sun sets, Long Beach Resort takes on a new energy. Evenings are filled with light entertainment, live performances, and music that bring guests together in a lively yet friendly atmosphere. Shows, themed nights, and casual gatherings create a sense of fun without feeling overwhelming. The mood is social and relaxed, offering the perfect way to end the day under the warm Mediterranean night sky. Families will find Long Beach Resort especially welcoming thanks to its dedicated kids facilities. The Kids Club offers a safe and engaging environment where children can enjoy games, creative activities, and social play. There are spaces designed just for younger guests, allowing them to explore, learn, and have fun throughout the day. Parents can relax knowing their children are entertained and well cared for, making the holiday experience enjoyable for the whole family. Long Beach Resort Hotel offers a lively and memorable Mediterranean escape where comfort, fun, and sunshine come together effortlessly. With its expansive setting, welcoming atmosphere, and wide range of experiences, it caters perfectly to travelers seeking both relaxation and energy. Whether you spend your days by the sea, enjoying the vibrant resort life, or simply unwinding under the sun, Long Beach Resort captures the joyful spirit of Alanya in a way that feels easy, warm, and full of life.